Have you ever noticed how when you think about singing, you sometimes feel the uncontrollable urge to yawn? Some beginning singers find that they can't stop yawning. The problem is that your soft palate may be lifting for singing, and your brain gets confused. It thinks you want to yawn. If that happens to you, here's what you do. If you're singing and gently lifting your soft palate, which we do in singing to reduce nasality, and then you feel the urge to yawn, just stop. Tell yourself you just don't need to yawn. You're just singing. With practice, your brain will stop being confused between singing and really needing to yawn. For more information on private voice lessons in person in Los Angeles or on Skype anywhere in the world, please email me at lisa@popeil.com. Check out my website, popeil.com, every week for a new free vocal tip. Happy singing!